This is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. Thank you for visiting us today. I really appreciate it. I want to go over our SoftPro water systems with you briefly so you have a better understanding of which system would be best for you. SoftPro Water Systems is a registered trademark through Quality Water Treatment. We have these systems engineered and built for us from the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. Because they are built as a complete system, they are actually third-party rated, IAPMO approved with a water quality platinum seal of approval, similar to WQA, Water Quality Association, but as a complete system versus just components. It's one of the very few water softeners on the market today that are actually third-party rated, and the reason why is because the majority of your water softeners are built by components that come from different manufacturers, and so there's no way for them to actually send them over to get them third-party rated. All of our SoftPro water softeners, all of our SoftPro water softeners for city water are upflow water softeners. They all have high efficiency ratings built into the control valve with different programming features. Our SoftPro water softeners will save you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water every regeneration. That's a huge savings for you. An average family of four will save up to $220 per year. If you look at the chart here, the salt savings chart, and compare it to other water softeners on the market, you will see that for average size is a 32,000. The SoftPro water softener uses 6 pounds of salt per regeneration. Fleck and Clack and all the other water softeners out there use 15 pounds of salt per regeneration. Our 32,000 grain SoftPro only uses 24 gallons of water to regenerate. That's all it wastes. Your average 32,000 grain other water softeners out there, the brands such as Fleck and Clack, use 71 gallons. So there's a huge savings there for you folks. As far as warranties go, the SoftPro water softeners carry a better warranty than any other water softener on the market. Our Pura water softener carries a 7-year control valve warranty, a lifetime warranty on the mineral tank, and a lifetime warranty on the brine tank. All of our brine tanks come with a grid plate at the bottom to help keep the salt from hardening up on you, what we call bridging. Also comes with a brine well to protect the safety float, and a safety float inside the brine well to help keep water and salt from overflowing all over your garage floor, wherever you have it installed if there's ever an issue. The Pura system comes with 8% cross-link resin, which is typically used across the industry. The next step up is our Elite Basic. Our SoftPro Elite Basic is our most popular model. It comes with a 1-inch control valve, so you get higher flow rates with less pressure drop than your 3/4-inch models, such as the Pura and the Fleck. It comes with a 10% upgraded resin versus the 8%. What that means to you is that city water uses chlorine or chloramines to disinfect the water. The problem is that chlorine and chloramines is very bad for resin beds. It tears them up. So 10% resin is more durable against chlorine and chloramines, so it's going to last longer and perform better than your 8% resins. Warranty-wise, the SoftPro Elite Basic comes with a limited lifetime warranty versus the Pura 7-year warranty. It comes with a lifetime warranty on the mineral tank and a lifetime warranty on the brine tank. It also comes with a black neoprene washable jacket. You can unzip it, take it off, wash it, put it back on. Protects the tank. It gives it an installation factor as well. Now, if you're installing the system outside on checkout, you're going to have an option to choose an outdoor valve cover. It's a cloth outdoor cover that slips over the top of the control valve on all of our SoftPro models, and that will protect the valve digital display and stuff from the sun. I highly recommend if you're installing the system outdoors that you go ahead and get that cover for this. Now, as far as our other packages go, if you click on packages here, it's going to take you to the pages. It's going to give you specifications on all of our packages, along with a video that goes over those packages. We carry the not just your basic setup softener by itself, but we also carry the Elite Plus, which gives you a media guard filter at the bottom of the tank to remove chlorine from the water, also heavy metals such as lead, copper, zinc, and keep it from bacteria from growing in the system. And then we have our Elite Ultimate. Our Elite Ultimate is coupled Elite basic softener, high flow softener, along with an upflow carbon filter and with a specialized type of carbon in there that goes over with the other video on you. Kind of explain that to you. Basically, this system will give you the best water you could possibly get, protect you and your family, and give you basically bottled water throughout the whole house. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 866-278-4130 or use our message here to live chat with us or send us an email through the contact page. Thank you very much and have a great day.